on one of the biggest secrets about summer in the 1950s. It wasn't the food, it was who showed up to eat it. Back then, nobody worried if there were enough chairs. Neighbors brought folding chairs. Kids sat on picnic blankets. Grandparents claimed the porch swing. And somehow, everyone found a place at the table. Today, we're stepping back into one of those unforgettable backyard barbecues, where simple recipes, good company, and homemade desserts made summer feel endless. There was something magical about hearing burgers sizzle over a charcoal grill. The smell drifted through the neighborhood, and before long, someone would wander over and ask,
Need any help?
which usually meant,
Can I have a hamburger?
backyard barbecues weren't fancy. They were comfortable. Paper plates, lemonade in mason jars, kids running barefoot through the grass, and conversations that lasted long after the sun went down. While Grandpa watched the grill, Grandmom filled the table. There was creamy cucumber salad, potato salad made the night before, buttered garden vegetables fresh from the backyard, baked beans that simmered for hours, fresh sliced tomatoes, sweet corn dripping with butter, and homemade rolls that disappeared almost as fast as they were set down. The funny thing is, nobody asked for the recipe while they were eating. They were too busy going back for seconds. And no 1950s barbecue ended without dessert. Fresh peach cobbler, cherry pie, strawberry shortcake, ice cream melting faster than anyone could eat it. And someone always insisted, there's plenty left, even when everyone knew there wasn't. You know, I don't think people remember 1950s barbecues because the hamburgers tasted better. I think they remember how they felt. Nobody was checking their phone. Nobody was rushing home. The children made friends with every kid in the neighborhood. The adults laughed until the porch lights came on. And the recipes, well, they became family traditions because they were served with something you can't buy in a grocery store. Maybe that's why these old-fashioned summer barbecues still make us smile. They remind us that some of life's richest moments aren't expensive. They're simply shared. So this summer, invite someone over. Make grandma's favorite recipe. Set one more place at the table. You never know, you might be creating someone else's favorite childhood memory. What was always on the table at your family's summer barbecue? Hamburgers? Corn on the cob? Potato salad? Watermelon? Homemade pie? Tell me your favorite family BBQ tradition in the comments below. If this video brought back a happy summer memory, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who loves vintage living, and subscribe to Time Traveling Housewife, where we celebrate the recipes, traditions, and timeless moments that never go out of style.